Make sure you're downloading Pinokio from the official source to avoid any security issues. I've linked it in the description below. Look for the download section and select your OS. Wait for it to download and open it. Once you are on the Index tab of the Pinokio app, click on Community and Filter by TTS. Click on Qwen3-TTS. But be careful you can't download every Qwen model, just take the one I took and follow my steps to download it. It will take a while and might have to download more things than me because I already got them. Once the UI showed up, you have to load a model to your GPU. Select Voice Design and load to your GPU. If you check your task manager, you will see it downloading the model, and once it is loaded, you will see a drastic change in your GPU memory. Go to Voice Design. Every time you generate a voice, it will show you a seed you can use in order to get the same voice every time. And make sure to change your language. You can tell the model what you want the voice to sound like. If you click on Voice Clone, you can clone voices from audios. On Custom Voice, you can use pre-made voices, but they don't sound that good. Thanks for watching, and tell me what you think about it being free to the publicity.